I would definitely recommend the program to my friends and associates. In fact, I have a couple of drone pilots that are part of my team, and I'm just going to suggest that they go through the course as well, even though they already have their Part 107. One is a lady who focuses on marketing for us, and I think this is really helpful. I mean, I'm just real excited. A lot of information that is helpful in running a successful business, and then some of the technical aspects of flying a drone. So it's for me, it's very inspiring and motivating to get a good mix of the business side and then the FAA regs. And, even though that's not my favorite part, I'm really enjoying it. So I thank you for this opportunity. I think it's very reasonably priced, very robust in terms of materials, and the speakers are very engaging. What else can I say? I've enjoyed it.